Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Royal Quiet Deluxe, but this adjustment will work on a Futura machines and the I don't know what to call it, Saharas and the Caravans. Anytime the machine looks like this on the bottom, like that, this adjustment will work. So what the problem is here with the shift, and it's not that bad on this machine, but when you hit the shift button here, you press shift down, there's a slight bind. It binds just a little bit at first. Sometimes they bind a little more. And that's a pretty simple fix. It's got a lockout, so you can't push the basket down without the button being down. When the button's up here, there's actually an interlock that engages and keeps it from going down. That is out of adjustment. That is an easy fix. It's right here on this side of the machine. It's right here. This is the interlock right there. This silver piece is the interlock. So it moves it. When the shift activates, it moves that out of the way. But it's out of adjustment. It needs to be moving out of the way faster. So it needs to be. So if I hold it there, it's going to work without binding. The adjustment is this other black piece of metal right there. It's a little crooked. It looks like it's a little crooked. It probably is. And I'm going to form it so it's a little straighter, and that's going to solve this problem. So all it takes to do this one is get a bender that fits in here just right. Let me see if I can get my camera to work with me on this. So you just stick this on here, that metal piece there, and I'm just going to form it a little bit. It just needs to go a little. I might go just a little bit more. Barely did anything there. Okay, so now it's a little straighter, and that's going to keep the shift from binding up when you press the shift button. And that's it. The machine is still going to lock its basket. Well, I was wrong. Maybe it's too far. I think I went a little too far. Alright, well, it's a sensitive adjustment. I'm going to go back a little ways. Let's see. Okay, locks the basket, and let's try to shift. Yeah, absolutely no click there. So I went too far. Can't go too far. Can't go too little. Locks the basket still. Must be trial and error. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.